My name is Clyde and I'm the owner of Thundersport. Thundersport imports parts for exotic cars as well as engine spares, mainly from America, but not necessarily. And we supply parts worldwide to whoever asks us to supply. In May last year, a decision was made to move because our shop was too small. We moved into the shop in the end of June after we'd spent a fair amount of time setting it up the way we wanted it to be. I'm fairly happy with what we have here. It's now going on 7 months and everybody that walks in the shop comments that they're happy with what we've done here. Yes, having the bigger space allowed us to bring in more stock, parts-wise and engine-wise. We've got stock of most things. If we don't have it, we'll find it. Unfortunately, because of COVID, the lead time has become a bit longer. There's nothing we can do about that. We have to live with it. Yeah, the company has grown, I'd like to say, in leaps and bounds, because if you look at what we've got here and what we were when we were in the other shop, I mean, we've got a large stock holding at the back. The main day-to-day business is over the counter, is nitty-gritty, okay? The main orders come via the internet, from our website, from Facebook, and all the social media where we post. Normal service parts, but as you witnessed just now, I did a big sale. A guy's rebuilding a motor, you know, and he wanted everything for it. Rings, bearings, gaskets, camshaft, you name it, he wanted it. And yeah, there's another order for another customer, the same sort of thing. We also do windscreens, which I don't think people are aware of. I've got a contact in America. Sometimes it takes a bit longer because we try to accumulate 10 screens to justify the cost of flying it in. We will be placing an order this week for screens as we speak. We do Coca tires. I've done quite a few orders this year for Coca and a lot of quotes. So yes, we're waiting for people to come back. We appreciate the fact that money is tight and that it takes time for people to come back to us with because the stuff is expensive. Coca sell us tires, tubes for cars from 1902, which I showed you a photo of, up to modern cars. I don't think you get track tires from them. They're mainly more for road tires. But white walls, black walls, radials, cross-ply, truck tires, motorbike tires, vintage, classic, they do it all. I would like Thundersport to become a corporate company. I would like Thundersport to be in Cape Town, Joburg, Durban, PE, Bloemfontein, all over the country. Not forgetting Bulawayo and around. We get quite a bit of custom from there. We also do parts going to Seychelles, Mauritius, no problem. They run a Volvo Penta motor V8 is a Chevy V8. So we supply for the boats. So they've got many boats over that side of the world.